From the acetone ink transfer, the router, the wood burner, fractal burning, and blue epoxy, here's a sneak peek of the finished nameplate. Subscribe for the full transformation. Alright, so I just got done unboxing our Kisrel resin kit. We have packs of mica powder here, some spatulas, some glitter, resin pigment, so there's all sorts of different colors. That's to actually pigment it. This one is to add the kind of the pearlescent look. There's some instructions here, step by step, 1-to-1 ratio, how to mix it, how to pour it. So this one has a 45 to 50 minute work time. A couple spatulas. This has two 41-ounce jugs that have pumps. I'll get those pumps hooked up. Couple cups, well, a few cups here, stirring sticks, tiny little shovels, spoons, some more popsicle sticks. I think I'm gonna like these. They're droppers to get it down in, and I guess it's a good time to talk about this. So this is a name plaque that I've been working on. Yeah, I've carved out some mountains. I'm gonna do another video if you guys are interested to see how I transferred from a image onto here, and then I carved it out with a router. Then we did some fractal burns here. We're experimenting on different router settings and bits. A combination of Dremel, wood burning, and router. Ultimately, I want to see how it performs with the epoxy. I want to see it dyed blue and white for the mountains here, and then kind of cast it down in. I am going to leave these fractals as is. For the color of the letters, I'm not entirely sure. I'm thinking for a dark color. I am going to try to epoxy them here today. I'm thinking I'm going to do a black, but we're going to get after it. Yeah, that's the unboxing, and we'll let you know how it goes.